Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're on Alder Street here in Portland, Maine, near the downtown, doing some inspections. Two things the fire escape needs in order for it to pass. Must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. So let's take a look at two side-by-side fire escapes. Obviously made of pressure treated, but this one's probably 15 plus years old. You're starting to see some cracks. You can see the main post all cracked down the middle. Structural stress starting to see here and there. Nails pulling, connections pulling. So this fire escape really does need to get buttoned up, and I would recommend sealing it with a sealer, and this thing can go another 5 to 10 years. Otherwise, this fire escape is going to rot itself. But it's not a major problem, but at least 25% structural problems on this particular fire escape that you can see. Paint-wise, again, pressure treated it doesn't need to be painted, but we highly recommend it in order for it to be longer lasting. These railings here, there's a railing on the side. Somebody's going to fall on that one. Take a look at this one. There's obviously a means of egress. Look at the big dip. So obviously somebody came in and did a quick repair on this one. See the angle there underneath of metal? So the beam cracked. This is improperly supported. As you can see, not standard construction. Whoever did this has an unsupported span here. And they put in some angles here and there to basically beef this thing up. So this fire escape has a violation on it, and that it's a structural engineer needs to come in here and see what was done here, because the big sag in the middle here is enough to write a violation. The fire escape is already 15 plus years old, and you can see that the pressure treatment is gone on this one. So you got to get a stain on this, otherwise this thing could rot in the next 5 to 10, as opposed to living another life of another 10 to 20 years, properly stained and properly secured. All the joints should be sealed, all the nails should be screwed back in, backed up with real deck-mate screws. These are all things. So this fire escape has a structural violation. Always write the violation: repair, paint, load test. And that will get the fire escapes properly evaluated by a structural engineer. If you have any questions on this or any other fire escape that we've looked at here in Portland, give us a call at 866-649-0333 or visit our website, fireescapeengineers.com. You can always go to YouTube and type in Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training for this type of videos throughout the country on how to inspect wood, steel, fire escapes throughout the country.